So boom.
Brought my tank into battle. How many people are streaming War Thunder, by the way? Just curious, haven't been paying.
The more people streaming Warship, of course, since it's brand new.
I'm just no. That's not the question I'm asking. How many right now?
How many?
It's not a lot of attention. I don't want to chill stream.
No.
Nobody ever streams this game. Damn it! Fucking roll in my tank and then artillery.
World of Tanks. There are more people who are streaming that than War Thunder.
I know that. War tanks are pretty popular.
Where the fuck is it? Can't be below Evolve. Come on. Warframe? Oh, there you go. 308 people.
Really?
In total. Yeah, in total.
Huh.
At least it has more people watching it than EVE Online and Terra.
EVE Online is a game you don't really want to stream technically.
Yeah.
Damn it, there's like a target right there, but I don't want to mess around with it.
Maybe when you have 200,000 followers you can stream the game.
Man, they screwed everyone up over here. Especially that tank destroyer. Damn. Shoot him down. Shoot him down. Whoa!
Okay, well, I will be playing with you in Warframe tomorrow. I'm not gonna leave now.
I understand. Well, I thought you were gonna wait for Hanny to get on. I needed you to wait for Hanny
I will.
to get on the top.
I'm waiting. Yeah. I'm gonna wait for him.
That noise, I'm not gonna get in that barrage. Is that the Quaker? Illuminati symbol.
Indeed.
We have to run into a bad tank.
Please. Money.
It's like they're playing it smart or something.
I'm playing it smart.
QQ or QK or Quaker. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to scoot up over here and ride my ass over here. No enemy tanks in this area? Oh, as I say that. My gunner is wounded. What the hell happened to him? Just like disappeared. God damn it.
Come on, Green. Hit it. Yay, good job.
Yeah, but there's another one over there. And it bounced off his blade. Terrible. I've been trying to level that one up too. I'm actually playing it on the PlayStation 4, but this can't run on your computer? What? I don't know why it was lagging there too. That's crazy. That's craziness.
Indeed.
Indeed.
Indeed, it's crazy.
It's a fun game. It really is.
Yeah.
I don't know why the frames were dropping for a second. I don't know if it's all the smoke. That's the first time that's done this on the tank. It's like 0.83 kilometers away. This is one of my favorite tanks that I have currently. Just trying to get it blown up. Yeah, it's on the PlayStation 4. Do you have it on the PS4? Totally got our asses beat. See? PS4. See that X down there? Huh. Yeah, I didn't even get anything done in that match. That was terrible. Wait. Is my boost out? No. Sometimes this thing's hard to navigate. What if I can use more than one? Alright, so yeah, the other one ran out. Oh, I can use multiple boosts. Awesome. Hey, Black Cell, this game's actually free, dude. It's free to play. I didn't spend a cent on this game. Except for, like, the little boosts and stuff, because unlock shit faster. You can get it and pick it up and play it with me. It's free to play. And it's fun. I just like simulation games. This is just chill mode. That's why I turn everything off. I'm just relaxing. Chillaxing. Is my mic volume pretty good, by the way, Henry? Goddamn, Mr. Hanny, it's been more than 10 minutes. Where'd he go?
You're not streaming.
Oh, he's playing on... Huh?
You're not streaming.
My stream's not running?
You're not streaming, I meant. So fuck.
What do you mean I'm not streaming?
Oh, you're not? What?
I am on stream right now.
Oh shit. I didn't know that.
Yeah. Mr. Hanny, this is the mod team. My two main mods in one room.
Oh no!
Apparently I've been getting a lot of bot follows, according to Mr. Henry. I need you to investigate as well. Who's been doing this bullshit?
I thought Twitch made that undoable.
Apparently not.
Oh, I thought they took out the command to follow.
Did my game just lock up? Whoa, what has happened? I gotta go fast. Whoa. Yeah, I'm just relaxing for a bit. I've been playing Destiny all day long. Ask Henry. Oh my god.
Okay. You're good.
It's just need to change the face. Didn't want to turn it into a whole Battlefield.
You weren't.
I'll turn it on back on though.
You weren't expecting me to be on that, so. Okay.
Yeah. Sorry to hear about your sister.
Well, I don't care.
Oh,
I don't care. I didn't like the guy.
oh cool.
She did, but I didn't like him, so I
Not
don't
sure
care.
don't like him anymore.
Whatever. Hopefully not. I pretended to like him. I didn't actually like him.
You'd rather it be somebody that you think is cool.
Yeah.
Like Henry here. No, I'm just kidding. He's from Norway. He's very exotic.
No.
No. Why not, Henry? You saying Mr. Handy's sister's not good enough for you? That's right, because she is. Too good for you.
Yeah, she's too good for me. Yes.
Don't you forget about it.
She's too good for you, Mr. Wolf.
Yeah. You ain't moving anywhere. Damn it. And destroyed. I am the Great Destroyer. Oh. That's right.
Giggity.
Yes. Critical hit. And that will finish you off. Explosions!
And the stream won't.
Huh?
Your stream is not loading. Your stream is not loading right now.
For you?
Yeah.
I'm not dropping any frames.
It hasn't stopped for me yet. Yeah, it hasn't stopped for me yet.
Yeah, it's still running. It looks good. This game looks good on the PS4. The tanks especially. Just a little bit on the North Ender in my opinion. I'll have the repair soon.
Yeah, there's like I thought I had this downloaded and updated, but apparently there's an 11 gigabyte.
Oh yeah, there's a
file.
big update today.
Oh, of course, today.
It's a big update. This game is fun as hell. I'm a fan of simulator games.
Well, I was gonna go and play it with you, but you know,
downloading it.
it's called this thing called an update. So, because this can be planes and tanks together,
Yeah.
right?
I can show you that in a minute. Yeah, it uses planes and tanks quicker. It's fun though. It's really fun.
There we go.
It's loaded for you?
It looks good.
Yeah. And Henry's downloading it too, so this will be like our breakaway game from our mainstream games.
Yeah.
Warframe would be a fun breakaway game too.
They changed that quite a bit.
'Cause that's also free to
They
play.
changed that quite a bit.
Yeah, they did. Kind of for the better, but kind of for the worse. My bow's not as good anymore,
There's
which kind of sucks.
Yeah. Hey, by the way, there's planes flying by right now. See? I
Yeah, I just saw one, yeah.
It's flying over my. It's shooting over there. It's kind of hard to. Just trying to find me some bad guys to shoot. I need to creep in and stop rushing in. I got a small boost on my dude, so I'm trying to get the most out of it. You get a boost like, oh shit, start on locking off the, off the wire. It's awesome. And you can fly jets at some point too, but it's like the, Cold War era jets, like the Sabre and the MiG-15.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's right there. I wonder if I can. Oh, you got one up. No, they're both dead. I think. I'm gonna fire one into him just in case. Yeah, double tap by tank.
Oh, there's one behind him.
Yes, critical hit. That didn't kill him? Holy crap. That is one resilient tank. Just wait, when you hit the tanks and stuff, it's just amazing how it shows where the bullets hit and stuff.
Yeah, that's pretty badass.
Oh my god,
where it shows where it hits.
That was a good hit. Is he still alive? No, he's on fire. He's done. One shot, 320 coins. Sweet.
Ah, come on.
See, Henry, I'm hyping you up for this game, man.
No, I've played it before. So I was like, oh, it should be updated. It updates automatically
There.
normally.
Oh, so
Get
I
on
used
and
it.
boom, fucking update.
Yeah, on the bottom there,
Oh,
guys, it'll show
please,
you.
I'm playing it. playing this shit right now.
Oh, you are. You're learning it and practicing it. I know you have to go to bed at some point, though. It sucks, though, that you have to go to bed. I guess we'll... You have tomorrow off, Andy?
I'm gonna play one game.
No.
I'm gonna
I work
play
all
one
weekend.
game.
Oh, you got the all-weekend shift.
You know,
That.
unfortunately. But I work open, so it won't be as bad as it normally is.
Good stuff.
I normally am off the first 3 days of every month, so this will be different for me having two shifts the first 2 days of the month. It'll be weird.
There goes your engine. Yes.
It's gonna take some time.
Explosion. Oh, my horizontal drive has been damaged. Apparently. Let me see if I can get any guys that are just approaching. Come on, flanking maneuver.
God, am I rank 3 yet, man?
It took me forever to hit rank 3. Got my effort deeds.
I don't know why it's taking so
Dude,
long.
there's
right
so
now.
many good players on Iron Banner right now. Even with a good
Really?
pre-made team, like, I mean, we were winning, but there was like moments where it was just pain in the ass.
I'm hoping I don't suck tonight. Probably not even gonna get even a couple games in. So I'm probably almost home. She hasn't texted me yet.
So when I move down to Tennessee next year, you know, that's the plan, right? I'm kind of just moving into your place, you know, just to live in your basement that you don't have. Do you have a basement? I don't even know.
I don't. I don't have a basement. Might need to look into getting one though.
Oh, yes. That's 17 kills. Right on. They weren't even expecting this. Wait, what? Oh, it bounced off his shield. Not good. Oh, he's already dead.
Kill 15 guardians with a hand cannon. I can do that shit.
Yes.
Oh,
You see that?
I'm doing a couple matches. So.
At least we got to hang out still. I'm happy. Today's been a good day.
Wow.
Yeah.
Hold on, you just need to fix them.
Check that shit out, guys. Fuck. He's gonna outmaneuver my ass. There's a target over there that needs to die. Nope, I'm done. Balls. And there's...
Dude is just totally running around in circles around
Yeah, well,
you.
they hit my turret.
So that the other tanks kill
Just
you.
wait. Yep, you'll see it in a second. Yeah, they just...
I mean, he was just
Oh, there we
running
go.
circles around you so that... Ooh, good hit. Right in the middle of the armor.
Damn, this game has a lot of fucking options. Jeez.
Shit. I accidentally left my dashboard. It does have a lot of options. It's pretty fun.
And also, I'm not used to using the fucking touch pad.
Apparently I hit him right by him. Alright, right in the middle. Oh yeah. Done. 10 tank kills in one match. I can't complain. Ooh, that hurt, didn't it? Come on, your engine's in the back. Oh! His engine. Oh, I hit the side of his truck.
That was a quick spawn. What's the spawn timer on it?
It's not too long. But some game matches you only have allowed to use 3 of your tanks. 11 tank kills. Oh yeah, here guys. Plane mode. Oh. Alright, so now I'm in my plane. And this is just in the tank match. You get to spawn as some, but alright. Lining up the shot. Attempting to line up the shot. Yes. And I get a plane kill? I can't complain. Wait, what are you doing, plane? What are you doing, plane? Oh, it's my throttle and I'm being an idiot. Alright, that's my time in the plane's about to run out.
Oh, you can only be in the plane so long?
Yeah. And in this mode, yeah, in tank mode.
Oh.
But it's cool. So I get to get both of it, it's awesome. I think there's campaign modes too that kind of like do both. Is he dead already? Yeah,
yep.
He's dead. I'm gonna fire a shot just in case. Oh shit, what? I got artillery strikes too. I think he's dead. Well, he's firing a shot just in case. There's no tanks like spotted on there. Hey, what's up? Oh, you wanted me to do just a plane battle? Yeah, I was gonna do that because I unlocked a lot of German planes. Hey, what's up, Angry Nerd Gaming? How you doing, bud? I'm just doing the chill night. I had a nice and busy stream earlier today. Just turn off my overlay webcam, just putting more focus into the actual game itself. Ow. My gunner is unconscious and my loader. What? What the hell's hitting me? He's behind me. He's behind me. Boom. What? Oh, my loader's still hurt. Shit. Uh-oh. There we go. Yeah, you're screwed, aren't you, bud? Yeah! Awesome. Shit. Oh, he hit my engine? Lucky me. Damn, another one? Dude, this was a good match for me. Holy crap. So you play this too, man? I don't know what they did in the new update, actually. 16-hour shift, though. That sucks. Yeah, that, you see that guy? He's working a 16-hour shift.
Oh.
See how many points I got. Look how many coins I just got just from doing that. Yeah, look at that. Best of the best.